What's up, Charlie? Life where you for stay away from if you want to get money. Things where you for stop they do if you want to get money. You see, game you for stop they play if you want to get money. Charlie, make we enter into them. See, plenty guys be full of excuses. Excuse go always dey. There will always be a reason why something cannot be achieved. It could be say you are afraid. It could be say you are sick. It could be say you are out of money. And Charlie, a whole lot. There is always something that will prevent you from achieving what you want to achieve. But my guy, those excuses has to change into motivation. Those excuses, you have to change them into strength, into power, so that you can achieve what you want to achieve. There will always be an excuse. There will always be an excuse. The reason why you can't do what you want to do. But see, I will tell you, if you are determined and you are willing to achieve what you want to achieve, nothing can stop you, not even sickness. This be the time before start to make money. This be the time before start to pack money. Charlie, Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator. Man, guys, I dey motivate you people. Make you people wake up, then you do something. Make you people wake up, then you achieve something for me. Charlie, we the Ghetto Youth, we no have anybody, we no get nobody. If you no wake up, make money. If you no wake up, chase your dreams. If you no wake up, achieve something. Charlie, life never go be easy. Life go shape you day. Man, guys. So after we end the excuses, me I go tell you say the next thing wey dey tie you down, the next thing wey dey hold you back, the next thing wey dey worry you, wey let you know dey feel Jacob, you know dey feel make word, you know dey feel make I read, then achieve whatever you want achieve. The blame game. Some people they never will take responsibilities of things where it dey go wrong for their life inside. They never go stand for things where it no good for their life inside, but rather they will always put the blame on somebody. They always blame people for their misfortunes. If they no blame the government, they go blame their father. If they no blame their father, they go blame their school. They always get somebody to go blame for their misfortunes. My guy, see, I dey talk to you. I dey watch your eye inside. I dey talk to you. If you no wake up, check up. Fight for what you want to achieve. If you no wake up, think. Do whatever you go do to achieve what you go achieve. Where you dey always put the blame on people. Every time you get somebody to blame, Charlie, life go ship you fucking. Life go mash you ankasa. Make you know say life dey mash you. You dey bab. So stop dey do the blame game. Stop dey blame people. Stop dey put blame on people. Stop. You get the key to your life. You get the happiness to your life. Everything will go happen to you in your life be you. Your willingness to let that thing happen. Me, I dey always talk. There are things where you no go feel control. There are things you no go feel manage in life. There are things where it go happen to you where it no be your fault. You the bab, yes. But to achieve something, the mantle is on your shoulders. You the bab. Stop the do the blame game. Stop the blame innocent people. Stop the blame people. Then you work hard. Better days ahead. The next thing I want to talk about is fear. Fear they hold so many people. Fear they tie so many of my boys. Fear they know they feel do what they for do. Some people they desire to be very great people. They wish to be very worthy men. They really want to make money. They really want to make things. They really want to impact lives. But fear they hold them back. Fear be one of the greatest weapon to mankind. Me, I always dey talk say why you dey fear. Most of the things we dey fear be toothless bulldogs. They can't do nothing to us. They can't kill us. They will only make us suffer a bit. After that, the fear will go. See, put the fear aside. Just start something. You now watch some people wey dey dey around you. They get all the attributes. They get all the connections. They get all the vibes wey they go fit do greater things, wey they go fit achieve better things, but fear hold them back. Fear let they know they fit do whatever they for do. My guy, I dey talk to you. Whatever you dey afraid, or whatever fear wey e dey in you or e dey inside you, wey e let you know dey fit achieve whatever you go achieve, I dey tell you that fear never go fit kill you. That fear no go fit do you anything. Somebody dey pack money put down pan say wan take do something, but because e dey fear say if he invest in money he go lose the money go dey there wey go dey jam small small, e go dey jam 20, 30, 40 before you go see the money, the money all finish. That be fear. Fear kill your dream. And guys, make we put fear aside, then we achieve whatever we want. After we sack the fear, the next thing I want to talk about be the two know people. Some people dey everything they know. Everything from Genesis to Revelation, everything they know. Them be too know. They never go relax. Make somebody add a little bit to what they already know. See, in life, we dey learn. Where we go dey learn. Where we go learn till we die. One person, you no go fit know everything for this world inside. If you no relax, make somebody teach you. If you no relax, make somebody add something to what you already know. You go dey the same place where your children sef go come pass you in life. You dey bab, my guys. One person no dey know everything. One person no dey know everything. You no be God. You dey bab. So I beg you, always relax. If you want achieve, if you want break boundaries, if you want go where people no go, if you want write your name in the record book, legendary, say yeah, you will impact some lives before you die. You do something before you die, my guy. Always relax. Make somebody add something small to what you already know. One person know they know everything. That be all.